Something big is going on. Yeah, I knew he was waiting for treats there. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to go to Motorcycle Live, get some proper off-road boots, hopefully get a good deal up there. Going to look at the Himalayan 452 because as much as I love this bike, it doesn't cut it for me anymore. My skills off-road have got better. I can't switch the ABS off. I'm going to have to get 50/50 tyres. I've had to buy risers, which I haven't got because I don't have a torque wrench. Can't turn the ABS off, which I think I just said I don't know, but I can't, and I need to be able to turn the ABS off for when I'm off-roading, because going down some pretty sketchy lanes and stuff. I can't. I need to be able to lock the wheel brake and basically slide. I just need to do too much to this bike, whereas I can trade it in, get something like the Himalayan 452 or the new Benelli, depending on how well the tank works, or any number of the mid. What are you doing? Why are you braking? Just keep going. Come on. Any number of the new bikes that are coming out, so I'm going to be doing a lot of sitting at Motorcycle Live and then working out what I want to do, because I'm also finding this bike at 60 plus is just too vibey. It goes through my feet, it goes through my arse, my balls. It's just too uncomfortable, and I want to be able to do more touring as I get bigger balls. You know, as I kind of man up a bit. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? And obviously, if I'm going to be on dual carriageways and motorways, which I'm going to try to avoid, because oh wow, that's cool. Because I don't enjoy that type of riding. If I have to be on them or do anything, I don't want to feel like I'm on a mini earthquake. I don't want to be tickled all the way. It's just really uncomfortable. Really uncomfortable. So, where am I going for this? Oh, I know where I'm going, yeah. I need a bike which does all of that. And this bike unfortunately just doesn't do it for me anymore, even though I do love it. It's a great bike for what it is. Everyone said, oh, you want a bigger bike. No, I don't want a bigger bike, I just want a bike which does what I want it to do. I just keep walking in the fucking pavement, it's fine, mate, don't worry about it. Yeah, I just need a bike which is going to do everything I need it to do without having to upgrade it and turn it into the bike it's not. I mean, BMW have they've really lost an opportunity with this bike, and I don't understand their thinking behind it. All they had to do was make the bars higher. All they had to do was give me the ability to put, you know, when I bought the bike, to put the additional lights on. You can't do that. You can't get additional lights for this bike. Spots. They should have made the body armour as standard instead of a piece of plastic. I had to buy that. I got them BMW. I had to buy these from BMW. I thought they would actually be tougher than they are, but they're not. But they didn't come standard. I had to buy the screen because it came with a small screen which stopped about here, which again it was for the R, not for an adventure bike. The tyres should have been 50/50 to start with, nice chunkies. And then you'd have had a really cool lightweight adventure bike that was more than capable for going off-road, which had all the protection needed, more rider comfort, everything. Because if I stand up, I actually have to lean forward. I'm leaning forward like this, and it's just not good, which is a shame, because this is a good bike. The seat's comfortable when it's not vibrating the hell out of you. It's got good range. It's got really good miles per gallon. I think I'm on. What am I on? So I'm on 92 miles to the gallon, which for a lot of people they don't care, but I like that shit. I like knowing how many miles I'm getting to the gallon. What else? I'm going to be doing a things I don't like about the bike thing. I mean, the Odo, all this is fine. I don't give a shit about the tech. And I'm not bothered about, you know, I actually even bought an aftermarket charger, USB charger, and then I realised it was going to be an absolute nightmare to fit and would probably void my warranty or my PCP agreement, and then that would probably void the insurance, so I haven't fitted that. The switch controls are really nice. You know, it's all easily reachable, very comfortable. The grip is, look, there's hardly any feed in the grip at all. Straight on, you know. Lights are good. It's got good acceleration. Oh, another thing I don't like is the fact that the rear brake is too low. So when I'm stood up, my foot is like really leaning down, and it feels like you're on tiptoe, which doesn't inspire confidence. There's no way to rise it, there's no way to do anything. I mean, I could get chunky blocks, but then I'm having to get more stuff to make it the bike that I want it to be, if that makes sense. See, the reason I didn't do that was because I didn't know what sort of gap there was at the end, but you know, hey, if he wants to push forward, he can push forward. He's not going to go anywhere faster unless he's going left. No, he's not, he's going right, so what's the point? Oh my god, is that the slowest train ever? What else about it? Oh yeah, I had to add luggage racks. You can't get the GS type luggage racks that you see on all the other GSs. It's a stupid fucking scooter type top box. You know, you can't. It's just, they've missed so many opportunities with this bike. If they'd done it properly, this would have been an absolute killer of a bike. And it just pisses me off that they didn't. I'm literally going to get to Exmouth, turn around and come back. The way things are going here. Come on guys, just fucking pull out. Why is no one pulling out? You can only go right. What the fuck is going on? Why is it so hard to turn right here? Just fucking turn right. Oh my god. I was hoping to get a bit of twisties in with Toption, but that doesn't look like it's happening much. What are you looking left for? The fucking road is closed.